Greetings, seekers of harmony in a diverse world. Today, we embark on a profound exploration, Stoic wisdom for navigating cultural and religious differences. In a world where differences abound, Stoicism offers a beacon of tolerance, respect, and understanding. Our world is a vibrant tapestry of cultures and beliefs. Stoicism equips us to navigate this rich diversity with wisdom and empathy. At its core, Stoicism teaches us that all humans share a common bond, the capacity for reason and virtue. Epictetus, a former slave, saw the intrinsic value of each individual beyond societal divisions. Reflect on the similarities that unite us all, transcending cultural and religious boundaries. Stoicism encourages us to step into the shoes of others, fostering empathy and expanding our horizons. Seneca's correspondence with Lucilius reveals his eagerness to learn from different cultures. Engage with literature, art, or traditions from cultures unfamiliar to you. Seek to understand their perspective. Virtue, the cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, transcends cultural boundaries, bridging gaps between societies. Emperor-philosopher Marcus Aurelius applied Stoic virtue across diverse cultural contexts. Identify virtues shared across cultures. How might these virtues bind us together? Stoicism teaches us to respond mindfully rather than react impulsively to differences, fostering constructive dialogue. Heracles emphasized concentric circles of concern, starting with close relationships and extending outward. Engage in a conversation with someone whose beliefs differ from yours. Listen actively and seek common ground. As we conclude our exploration of Stoic wisdom for navigating cultural and religious differences, let us remember that Stoicism embraces the mosaic of human experiences. Our differences can be sources of enrichment, compassion, and growth. If this exploration resonates with you, become a part of our Stoic community. Like this video and subscribe to Stoic Sage Musings. Share your experiences in embracing diversity in the comments, for your insights empower us all. Together, let's weave a world of understanding and respect.